So hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to perform a vehicle or motorbike name search. So in this case I'll do a motorbike, but it does the same work. So all you have to do is you launch your Google Chrome. Sorry for the noise, I have clients here, but you launch the Google Chrome. Then you go to TIMS website. So in this case you write the URL in the search bar here. So this is the URL, then you enter. It's gonna take some time, but there you go. This is my ID number. If you don't have an account, you just sign up for the account. So you sign in. Sorry, let me refresh. Yes, so this is the ID number that belongs to me, and then it's a password. Make sure you have an account. If you don't have an account, you do register. You can check my previous video on how to register and comment below. Then you request for the code on your phone. So mine is gonna come. So like my verification code is 2282. Then you sign in. There you go. Then we go to online search, copy of the record. So in my case it's yep, in this case registration number is KMED 649B. Then I'll inquire. It's gonna take some time, but let's give it time. There you go, it's a motorcycle. Then you go to next. We'll pay 550 to the account. So we process for payment. Pay the amount specified. Yeah, boss, utalipa 550 lipa na M-Pesa pay bill. Fungua simu yako. You go to pay bill. Si unalipia ndo ilete majina. Pay bill. Business number 206. Yes, account number FD any yote tu, iwe capital iwe small. FD for dog, O T for Tom, X K R hivyo. $550. That's it. That's my number. You can call and say hi. Citizen. Mashalipa? Sawa, nisaidie na yao 200 yangu. Let's confirm the payment. Sawa, nisaidie na yao 200. Yeah, basically that's how we do search. And yeah. So okay. This is the receipt. You can print later. So this is what you give the customer or whoever wanted. You click on print. This is the particulars. Download. Yeah, so this is what we print, this is what we give the client or whoever wanted the record. So we click on print, then print. Thank you so much for watching. This is the same procedure that does for motorcycles and even the vehicles. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video educating, don't forget to subscribe, yeah, and like this video. Thank you.